Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my 30 days spoken English series for beginners day 3. So, if you are new at my channel, don't forget to like, share and comment. In today's video, we're going to learn about daily use vocabulary along with sentences. So, are you ready for it? So, our first word is chipped. So if you can see these four images in which pictures are also shown: chipped, cracked, broken, smashed. So when your cup looks like this, it's gonna be named as chipped. My cup is chipped. Okay, let's practice the script, which is chef. Chef is saying to the things, all right team, report your condition and think chipped, cracked, broken, or smashed today. Kapi Singh, professionally speaking, sir, I'm slightly chipped on the side. Now, plate is saying, I'm a little cracked. Not emotionally, just literally. Let's move toward the next image, which is showing rolling board and rolling pin. So this one is the rolling board and the other one is rolling pin. Rolling board is saying, Chef, I regret to inform that rolling pin is broken again. Rolling pin, excuse me, I'm not broken, I'm just tired of responsibilities. So you can see that यहाँ पर पाकिस्तान का नक्शा बनाया जा रहा है. Let's move toward the next picture, which is, oh, so we don't even know about it. Can you tell me that what do we call this? Where we make roti or chapati or bread. So you have 5 seconds to do it. Wait is over. It's griddle. Let's move toward next picture, which is tongs. Do you know what? Have you ever used tongs in kitchen? Okay, if you like cooking, then you must have used it. So chef is saying I almost got smashed when someone threw a pan in my direction. Tongs is saying I tried to stop it, chef, but I have only two arms. Let's move toward the next word, which you have to guess. What do we call this, by the way? Do you know? You have 5 seconds to think of it. So wait is over. We call it cutting board or chopping board. Next word is strainer, जो कि आप चाय में use करते होंगे. And I don't think that is there anyone who don't like tea. There are very few people who don't like tea. So you must know about it. Strainer. The next word is ladle. And you have to tell me, have you ever cooked such food at home? These days it's so hard. Oh wow, that's good one. So we use ladle to pour our food from one place to another. Let's move toward the next word is spatula, because nowadays it's winter season, so you must be like maybe you are making pakoras, so you have to use spatula for it. The next word is colander. Oh, it's not colander, it's whisk. So we use whisk whenever we are baking cake. You have to tell me, have you ever baked cake and have used whisk? Next word is colander. So colander, for colander there's a sentence. The colander shrugged and said, I can't help leaking. It's literally my job. Because its job is like leaking, or you have to wash the fruits or vegetables in colander. Let's move toward next word, that this picture is showing hi-fi. The girl is hi-fi. Next word is wave. That's how we wave. And next word is handshake. So the griddle tried a handshake but forgot it was still burning hot. And next word is shrug. The picture is showing the man is shrugged. The plate just shrugged when asked who made mess on the counter. Like the plate just shrugged, like said, no, I didn't. I don't know. The next word is, you have to tell me that what does this picture mean? What does this video animation showing? You have 5 seconds to tell. Wait is over. It's yelling. When someone yells, that person reacts like this. Yell means shout loudly. You yell when you want someone to hear you from far away or when you're angry, scared, excited, or calling someone. That's it for today's video. See you in the next class. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below.